Hello everyone, so today we are back with another video, and this time we will let you know what is the best platform to sell the rugs online. So now in terms of the platform, there are various first tier search engines that you can use. So for example, we can actually run the ads on the Google side of things, which is called the Google Shopping ads. We can actually run the ads on the Microsoft side of things, the Facebook plus Instagram platform, and also the Amazon side of things. But that does not mean that you always try to sell the ads or sell the products on all the four platforms at one time. The thing is that everybody cannot spend thousands of dollars in one go. You have to start small. So when I say start small, you can start with one platform. So the major platform that has a very good reach and you can get quality sales is the Google Shopping ads. So now let's dive deep into on what Google Shopping offers in terms of selling the rugs online. In terms of the Google ads, we first of all need to set up the merchant center. We definitely need to make sure that the website is 100% correct based on the Google policy perspective, because when the website is not based on the Google policy, then that could mean that the merchant center may get disapproved, and then when it get disapproved or suspended, then that will take a lot of efforts to get it online. So if you are just not sure on how to do that, then you can contact us through WhatsApp. There is a number on top right corner. We should be able to get back to you with all the details on what exactly that you should be doing and what exactly that a website should have from Google's perspective, so that we can be within the Google guidelines and we don't have any sort of issues in terms of the merchant center setup. Once the feed is done in the merchant center, then we need to set up the Google Shopping ads. So now you may ask, what is Google Shopping ads? Whenever you search something on search engine, that is Google search engine, and then whenever you search for something related to buying of any product, then on the right hand side you should be able to see some products being listed. You should be able to see the product pricing, you should be able to see the product image, and you should be able to see the product headline. Based on that, you can very clearly see the visitor. They will make around 50% of their mind whether they can buy the product or not based on the pricing, whether they have liked the product or not based on the product image, and the visitor, they will go directly to that product page, so that they are one step closer for giving us a sale. That's why the Google Shopping ads works really very well for this kind of product. Once we have the Google Shopping ads running, what we normally try to do is that we normally try to have various campaigns for each product type. So for example, you are actually selling the rugs online. So now there are various type of rugs. For example, you are selling the Persian rugs, and then you are selling the Oriental rugs. We can have separate campaign for Persian rugs and separate campaign for the Oriental rugs. Then after a few weeks of data, we will be able to see which one of those product types are working better, and then with the ROI, the budgets and the bids will be reassessed accordingly. So now suppose that we have good enough conversion. For example, we have around 15 to 20 conversion in the last 1 month or so. Then we can start using the PMax campaign, which is the Performance Max shopping ads. With the PMax shopping ads, we need to make sure that we have some conversions in the past, because that works on the historical conversion data. The bidding strategy that we use in the PMax works on the historical conversion data. Without that, the ads will be showing on those platforms where we don't normally get the conversions from, and the quality of those clicks are not very good. Once we are able to see which one of those products are working better than the other, then we need to restructure the campaign, wherein we can have some low quality products in the new campaign and then the best performing one in the main one. That way we can just increase the spend from the best converting product campaign and control the spend from the low converting product campaign. Also, we need to start with the remarketing ads. So now there is a strategy that we definitely need to use for the remarketing ads to work. There will be good amount of visitors who have visited the website, but they have left the website from the add to cart page, and we can give them like get extra 5% off using a certain coupon code. That strategy also works really very well for us. So we definitely need to make sure that we are capitalizing on that specific strategy. So now after a few months of data, you should be able to see what products are selling the most, and then which one of those are giving you the best return on investment. Then for those products, we can start with the Microsoft side of things, that is the Microsoft ads. For the Microsoft, the ads will start to show on the Yahoo search engine and Bing search engine. Once we are able to see the products selling the most, then why not shifting the highly converting product from Google to Microsoft. That way you don't really need to reinvent the wheel as such. Just take out the converting things from Google to Microsoft, and then why not multiply the sales from them. The same thing or the same principle can be on the Facebook side of things, wherein we can run the product catalog ads for the best converting products, and also the remarketing ads for the add to cart abandoners, giving them some kind of off. They will feel tempted to come back to the website and give us a sale. Once we are able to do these kind of things, and then once you have good return on investment, you can start the Amazon side of things. For the Amazon, we will put a video in the top right corner I button, wherein you can go to that video and then see what are all the things that you need to get started on the Amazon side of things. So if you have any PPC campaigns running, you can contact us through WhatsApp or through our website. There is a phone number on top right corner. Also, you can give us your website URL, your monthly budget, and the location targeting. If you don't have any PPC campaigns running, we can still be able to contact you with some kind of proposal, wherein we will let you know what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from your website, and then how to take your business to the next level.